Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Audi A4 2020 model. Have a look what happened to the dashboard. There is a warning light on. We done the diagnostic already. I'm going to go with you and show you what's going on there. I'm going to start the car. You can see driver system activate. Please switch off the ignition. That's not a problem. And you can see this side engine management light on. Right, like this problem we need a computer support for the find out what's going on. Right, I learned something new from this car to open the bonnet and give the battery support for the while we do the like this scanning, but I already opened the hood now. Okay, right, P06780 cylinder 4 glow plugs control circuit low. Basically it could be glow plug, could be electrical circuit. However, I am not sure at the moment, but I'm going to talk a little bit deeper step by step how we're going to change, how we're going to check the glow plugs and the tips for the changing glow plugs. Right, first of all I'm going to clear this fault code. Yeah, it's cleared now, no any more faulty codes. Have a look again. Right, okay, then after that I'm going to ignition off and I'm not going to start the car until I'll finish the job. Right, if you have a faulty code, I feeling is the problem with the glow plugs, but however, you know the glow plugs, it's very tiny plugs. And also see, luckily I left the key outside, car locked. I'm going to open. Okay, leave it like that. Right, this glow plug you can see very tiny. Sometime if you not change correct interval, this plug can seize up here, this thread can seize up, then after that when you're going to undone, it can snap from here. If it snap, you need to contact specialist for do drilling and take out the whole plug, or sometimes you have to open the head, tip other side, then you can go underneath the head. It's basically we are calling head gasket replacement. Be careful when you do it. Use all tips as much you can, then you are not going to mix up anything. First of all, I'm going to show you how we going to check the glow plugs or wiring problem. You need a multimeter for this job. Right, I'm going to open the engine cover. Normally glow plugs start from the timing chain side. I think this one timing belt. Basically this is the cylinder number 1, 2, and the third one special glow plugs, and this is the fourth one. They talking about something not right with this one. Yeah, first of all I'm going to remove electrical connectors number 4 and number 1. Remove. Right, okay, right, I already remove number 1 and number 4. Then after that I'm going to use my multimeter and the check ohm resistance. Positive to go top of the glow plug like this. This is the positive top, and this one negative line. You can go anywhere. I'm going to here. Have a look the multimeter. 0.5. This is the good glow plug. It has a 0.5. Right. I'm going to leave with this one and check the. This is for the top of the glow plugs, and this is for the body. See, that one has a little bit more, 0.8. We'll see what happened to the number 4. That's one. Right. Basically, now I know, seen the number 4 glow plugs, something not right. Basically, we need to change the glow plugs. When you're going to change the glow plugs, best batteries use, you need a 10 mil long socket and leave the car running at least half an hour to engine getting hot. Then after that, bit easy to remove the plugs. Now I am going to try, and also don't going to use bigger ratchet, half an inch or something. You are going to snap. Use the small ratchet, then you feel to your hand what's going on there. Right. Okay. If you mix up, either head gasket replacement or you have to call specialist for remove that glow plug. Be careful. Do it very gently. Right. Yeah. We are lucky. It's removed. Right. Okay. This is the faulty glow plugs. Then when you're going to install new glow plug, because we have a nice previous experience, not we, basically one of our customer tried to watch YouTube video like this. He managed to remove. What he done, he install and over tight. When they going to over tight, it snap from here. Be careful. Remove same theory. Install also, because this one no need to super tight. This is, I think, Newton meter 3 or something, very small tight. Just do the hand, just tight. That's it. Don't going to do over tight. Again, same scenario. And another small tip: if you have a high temperature grease, just tiny bit apply for this thread. It won't get any harm. Just only the thread, because when you're going to remove next time, this grease will help you lot. Just tiny bit. First I am going to do by hand, and just tiny tight, very tiny. Yeah, that's it. No need to over tight. After that, we need to reconnect these connectors nicely. Make sure in. Little bit give the push. You feel to your hand, it's clicked. When you feel it's click, it's always in. Right. I can hear the click sound also well. Yeah. Done the engine bay. Close this one. I'm going to start couple of time and switch off. Start. You can see engine warning light disappeared because I reset. Again switch off. Start. Again off. Again ignition on, and have a look. I forget, I already closed the bonnet. I had to open the bonnet again. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, read DTC. Yeah, you can see no any faulty codes there. Right, now hopefully you know how to change go plug safely, because the normal, some dealers recommended do it within 50,000 miles, some dealers say 75,000, some people 100,000, some dealers. But follow your manufacturer guidelines always when you do the like this job. No need to do unnecessary, because if it's something going strong like this, we'll see how about the mileage of this car. Yeah, you can see 65,000, 77 one. Yeah, I feeling it's time to change the glow plugs on this car. Anyway, follow with your guidelines with the dealer. Thank you. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't going to mix up like this job. It's very easy. Take your own time. Do your job nicely. Use it, correct tools, correct time. Thank you. See you in the next video.